Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, mga kaibigan ng Kapihan with Sis. Ako po si Manay Laila de Lima ng ML Party List. Thank you for inviting me to be part of this very important conversation. So the question, may kinalaman ba ang vote buying sa pagdami ng mga party list na hawak ng political dynasties at traditional politicians? Ang sagot ko, absolutely. Once political clans and business interests took over the party list system, it was only a matter of time before traditional tactics like vote buying entered the picture. Dati, cheating happened at the canvassing level. Basta may koneksyon ka sa board of canvassers, pwede kang makalusot sa dagdag bawas. But now, because of automation, that kind of manipulation has become harder. Kaya bumalik ang pandaraya sa mas personal na paraan. Vote buying. One voter at a time. Madalas, tinatakpan po ito bilang bayad sa poll watcher. Pero kung halos buong barangay ay poll watchers, alam na natin ang laro. In many places, this is now the norm during local elections. At yes, it affects the party list vote too, especially party lists that are backed by dynasties. Usually, package deal yan. Boto ng mayor, boto kay congressman, at boto sa party list nila. Buy one, take all. Hindi na kailangang mangampanya sa buong bansa. Kailangan lang nilang manalo sa sarili nilang balwarte. There are also party lists na hindi naman bumibili ng boto directly, pero sumasakay sa machinery ng mga local politicians in exchange for future favors, pondo, pork barrel, o posisyon. The result? A system that was meant to give voice to the marginalized is now being used to protect those in power. That's why, in ML Party List, we continue to fight for reforms that restore the true purpose of the party list system. Representation, genuine representation, not replication of dynasties. Hustisya, hindi transaksyon. Paninindigan, hindi palitan. To everyone watching today, your vote is not just a choice. It is an act of conscience. Don't let it be bought. Don't let it be borrowed. Vote with dignity. Vote with a sense of history. And vote with the hope that justice and reform can win. Ako po si Manay Laila. Maraming salamat at tuloy po ang laban.